today let's think about side dish. I know during the holiday we're thinking about the main dishes like our turkey or ham, but what about our side dish? Let's give them a little TLC. So today we are going to make Harvest Casserole. Really simple, but it is so delicious to go together with whatever you're gonna be having for your holiday dinner. So let me show you how to make it.
Combine the seasoning: garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, cumin, sea salt, and red chili pepper flakes. Now I cut the butternut squash into bite-sized pieces, and I cut the Brussels sprout in half. Now place them in a baking dish and then drizzled with some oil, and also season with all that seasoning, and then add the turkey bacon and a little bit of maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons. Now toss to coat well, and then bake for about 20 minutes or until fork tender, and then remove them from the oven. Add the rice and then season with salt and pepper and mix to combine, and then add the dried cranberries and also half of the sliced almonds. Now you're going to combine them, and then you're going to add the rest of the almonds on top and place them back in the oven until the almonds are toasted.
Easy, no problem. You have a side dish to go with whatever main dishes that you're going to serve for your holiday dinner, right? Harvest Casserole. It is delicious, it is simple, and it goes well with any main dishes that you'd like to serve it with. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.